Hello everyone, welcome back to the Apple Connect, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to set timer slot on camera on your iPhone. So the first one is all about, we have to go over here in the camera icon, open this one, and right now if you wanted to set the timer up, just go over here. As you can see at the top there is this particular arrow, just tap on this particular arrow, and now from here if you scroll over here at the last, you can see this particular icon, tap on this one. And now they're going to ask you something like timer off 3 second, 5 second and 10 second, where you can set the duration. So let me set this for 10 second, and once afterwards just tap on the capture. So as you can see it is getting decreased from 10, 9, 8, 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And once afterwards you can see it has taken the photos. If I go over here, you can see it has completely taken the photos, right? So this is how you can set the timer on your iPhone. So I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.